Welcome back. This is the first of a three-part series of questions that we asked our fellow hiker trailer owners while we were at the 3rd annual Hiker Trailer Campout East in Hawking Hills this year. While we were there, we asked 3 different questions of all of our hiker owners. In this video, we're going to go over the first question. This one being, what is your favorite upgrade you had the factory put on your trailer? So let's see what they had to say. Good morning. So I have Daly and Katie here with me. What is your favorite upgrade you had the factory put on your trailer?
I think probably our favorite one was when we initially did our build, we only got the 98 inch straight out awning. And right as we submitted our final changes, we upgraded to the 270 23 Peregrine.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's been a lifesaver. We went out to Utah with it. It rained a few days and it was nice to just sit under that. And then when it was super hot out, it was awesome to sit. You know, when it was 100-degree weather, it was great. It covered most of the area and you were able to shift with the shade, so that was awesome.
Yep. So what is one thing that was on the trailer when you got it that you really enjoyed?
We really liked the fan, and then the air conditioning was a nice addition too.
Definitely the 270 awning. If once I learn how to put it up quickly.
And you're able to do that as a one person?
Yes, but I live in Kansas, and the Kansas winds can make it rather difficult.
All right, I have Darwin here with me. What is your favorite item you got from the factory?
Favorite item has to be the awning. I got the Rhino-Rack batwing, and I did buy 2 walls for it. Helps out a lot when it's really sun beating on you. I really like it for that. But yeah, the shade and definitely for the protection from rain.
Yep.
So I like that.
And you got the 270?
Yes, definitely 270.
I have Erin here with me.
Good morning.
She's got the awesome orange color trailer. So what is your favorite item you had the factory put on the trailer for you?
Yeah, we have only had it for a few weeks and this is our first trip. So far, I really like the slide out tray. That was very convenient yesterday when making sandwiches. And I'm excited about the diamond trim all the way around because I've seen a lot of magnet ideas that I'm hoping to take advantage of that. So.
Well, one, I don't think we would have thought of the batwing, and it came with the batwing and the floor that matches the dimensions of the batwing and all 4 walls. So when we put in the walls, we basically have a tent that triples the size of our capacity of our bed on wheels.
Yes.
You know, so we really like that a lot. And then she already had this dolly. So the dolly really works great, and we're able to maneuver pretty much in any campsite area, but definitely when we get home we can maneuver from the pad of the garage back to the corner of the garage and out, and it just
makes
works
it
really
easier.
well.
Yeah.
The second door. I mean,
yes.
I think, you know, when you look at people, just having that second access when you've got 2 sleeping in side by side, that's just got to be a must.
Yeah. I have Chris here with me. So what is something you got on your trailer from the factory that you're thankful you got?
My 3rd rack. So we really like the max fan. We think that's super necessary. Hotter nights, it makes a big difference. You just got to keep the air moving. So
Definitely.
got to have a fan.
Especially the 4 bodies in there.
For sure. Got to have a fan.
Yep. I have Phil and Carol here with me. So what is your favorite item you had the factory put on the trailer for you?
The favorite item is the awning.
And you had the 270 awning?
Yes, and we got the wall, the back wall for it, and we like that also. We were going to put that up, but it's pretty warm today, so would have been nice for people to see, but we like the wall also.
Nice.
We're very thankful that we got our solar. We like to camp at campgrounds that have no hookups at all, and we use the solar and we've been very happy with it.
Yeah, we originally got a 5x8, but thankfully we thought about it and we were like, let's get a 5x9. So before they had started building it, we upgraded that part.
So the extra foot.
The extra foot has been really helpful. And
because it's you 2 and your 2 dogs, right?
3 dogs.
We actually have 3
dogs.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
We left one at home this time, but yeah, usually it's 3, so that extra foot comes in handy when we're all scrunched in there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
And
Is there?
the max fan as well is
A lifesaver.
Can't beat that. Yeah.
Yep, we love it.
All right, I have Brian here with me. What is your favorite item you had the factory put on your trailer?
So I'd say we have the fridge box, so we can use our Dometic in there, and that's probably our favorite addition to the.
Okay. Yeah.
Without a doubt, it's the awning. And I've got the Batwing. That's the only one I was familiar with when I bought it, but that makes the trailer for me.
And yours is a 270?
270.
Okay. Hi, I've got Alex with me. So Alex, what is your favorite thing you had the factory put in your trailer?
Sure. The favorite by far for me and also our 3-year-old daughter is the bunk beds. They've been a lot of fun. We only have one daughter right now, so the bottom bunk is for storage.
Perfect.
So it's helpful to have the clothes there and easy access.
Yep. It's always nice to have a little extra storage in something small like this.
Yes, for sure.
The extra large toolbox is amazing. With 4 boys, it seriously holds all our crap, so
yeah,
I love it. I wish it was like 2 extra larges, so it's been real nice.
We had them install a refrigerator slide in the back, which is not standard for this size trailer. So they changed the depth of the galley and so that everything would fit, and so the refrigerator really comes in handy.
And it's awesome.
And unfortunately, I don't think that's an option anymore. All right, I have Don here with me. He's one of the original hiker trailer owners.
Oldest hiker, maybe oldest owner too, I don't know.
So what is one thing that you like that was on your trailer when you purchased it?
I'm really glad we got the rear receiver hitch on it. We use it mostly for a hitch shelf, and we put our coolers on it.
Okay, nice. What is your favorite mod that you had the factory put on for you?
Oh, you know, I love the screen doors. I'm glad that I got the 2 doors with the screens. That's been wonderful. I had that done when I bought it.
But the awning.
Okay, yep. All right, so I have Georgia here. She's probably our youngest hiker owner on this whole camp out. So you bought your trailer used, correct? All right, so what's one thing that you were glad that it had when you purchased it?
So the thing I'm glad that I had when I purchased it is my Max fan. People have actually asked me about it, and I've never sweat at night. It also helps with the humidity. It just keeps me cool overall, so that's one thing.
I would say our awning.
I'd say the same.
Yeah. And you guys have the OVS 270 awning, correct?
Yes.
All right. All right, I have Darcy and Wade here with me. So you've had yours for about 3 years, you said?
Yep.
3 or 4 years. What is the favorite thing that you had put on your trailer to start with?
The Max fan is probably the best thing. Couldn't live without it.
Yeah.
Having the Max fan is really good because it keeps the camper cool any time of the day.
Definitely.
So,
yep.
definitely.
These racks. Yeah, and carry a kayak or the Gazelle.
Sure. Nice. All right, so I have Gary and Tosh here with me, and they are fairly new owners to the trailer, right? How long have you had it?
We've had it 52 days.
And you've been pretty much on the road those 52 days?
Every day.
Yeah. That's awesome. All right. What size trailer do you guys have?
We have the mid-range XL.
Okay, 5x9.
5x9.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So what is one thing you're thankful you had the factory put on the trailer for you?
We're thankful that we upgraded from the mid-range and the water.
Okay, so you have the XL.
And be able to carry water.
Okay.
The 22 gallons
Yeah.
definitely is probably one of the best decisions that we made.
We really like this awning. Super nice and handy.
Yeah. All right, I have Don Washburn with me.
Hey.
So what is your favorite upgrade that you got from the factory?
One of our most favorite upgrades is the underfloor storage. It's very useful.
What do you put in there?
We have our walls for our awnings.
So things
Pretty
you don't
much.
use all the time, but it's nice to have along with if you do need it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We really like the canopy, the 23-0. It really keeps the sun out. This is its first test in the rain, so we're kind of evaluating that.
So, and you got the 270, excuse me.
Yeah, it's
right?
it's the 270, so it goes all the way to the front of the trailer and around the back, so you can cook in the rain.
Solar panel and the electrical.
So do you do off-grid camping?
Yes. We have no power at this site right now, so.
Right, you are. That's right. You're the rustic area. Perfect.
One thing I could say, it would have to be the Max fan. Really
yes.
pulls good ventilation through,
Yeah.
you know. and it mostly eliminates the need for AC, most of the year.
Yep. I have Greg and Sarah here with me. So what is something that you had the factory put in the trailer that you're thankful that you had put in originally?
We really love the way that they did the back galley for us. So we have the 2-foot deep back galley for the very bottom and the middle shelf. And then we split the top. So we've got 12 inches to the back galley and 12 inches to the cabin, which gives us some really nice cubby space for all of our clothes and gear and all that good stuff. It's awesome. It works out really well.
Nice.
Solar panel.
Awning.
Okay, good.
Well, one of the things that I really like is the electrical prep. So having the battery and having the electrical back in the back gives me options to add things. So.
Yep. All right, I have Celia here with me. What kind of trailer do you have?
Matilda is a extreme off-road.
So what is something that you ordered for the trailer that you're really thankful you have?
The awning. Definitely a game changer.
And you've got a 270,
yes,
right?
I have a Batwing, a Rhino-Rack Batwing 270.
All right.
Very, very happy with it.
The awning. We've used it every single time. We've been camping a couple times where we've had some rain and some pretty heavy rain at that. And it's easy for us to cook. The whole point is to be outside. So with the awning, spend most of your time still outside. You're not actually inside the box, the hiker itself, and just makes things easier.
Well, it's a highway basic or highway deluxe, so there really wasn't much on it to begin with, and we added very few options because we wanted to get in as low a price as we could to see if we liked it. At the time, I don't know what it is now, but at the time the rear side swing door was an option, and I didn't want to be under this with a swing up door, so that's kind of my favorite. Deb's favorite, because of the peripherals, is the air conditioner prep.
Oh, yes. And on a weekend like this, having the air has been very nice.
We already had the air conditioner purchased before the trailer was ready, but the prep would be Deb's favorite factory option.
The favorite upgrade that the factory put on was the awning.
The awning, yes.
That was by far a must for me.
Yep.
It would have to be the shelf. The inside shelf.
That secondary shelf.
That secondary shelf.
Yep.
Yeah, that was definitely a winner.
Yep. We like that too.
Yep.
I hope you have enjoyed hearing what other real hiker owners have found to be useful upgrades for their small trailer adventures. Join us next time when we ask the question, what upgrade do you wish you would have had the factory put on your trailer? Until then, get out and do some camping.